Magandang araw po sa inyo pong lahat. Sino po sa inyo dito yung umattend ng Christmas party or Christmas reunion or batch party, high school or college party? Kung kayo po ito, meron po ba kayong isang tao na late nyong nakita o nakita nyo siya last year pa tapos ngayon lang ulit kayo nagkita? Tapos nung habang nakikita nyo ho itong taon to, habang tinitingnan nyo po siya, meron kong kakaiba sa kanya. Yung isang taon to na nung huli nyong kita last year, tas ngayong taon na to, alam nyong merong nagbago. Tapos paglapit nyo sa kanya, nakipagkamustahan kayo, either kaibigan nyo, kamag-anak nyo, nung nagkita na ho kayo, magkalapit na kayo, ang natanong nyo sa sarili nyo, anong nangyari sa'yo? No? Last year, medyo chubby ka ngayon, ang payat mo na, or you're healthy, no? Or pwedeng merong sakit, or kakaibang nangyari sa kanya. O pwedeng maliit ka dati, tumangkad ka na ngayon. No? Meron ho ba kayong ganung pagkakataong nangyari sa buhay nyo na natanong nyo na, anong nangyari? From last year until this year, anong nangyari? What happened to you? So, anong nangyari in between last year and this year? Did you know in the life of Jesus Christ is almost the same? In the life of Jesus Christ, maybe we can ask ourselves, what's in between? Anong nangyari from birth ni Jesus Christ, yung Christmas, at bigla na lang, the whole story, nag-shift, nag-transition doon sa kanyang ministry. No? Yung kwento ng Christmas na pinag-uusapan natin bilang mga Pilipino na pinanganak si Jesus, 4 na buwan tayo naghanda, 4 na buwan tayo nag-prepare, and then the Christmas season is there. And after the Christmas season is over, ang pinag-uusapan na kaagad natin ay Holy Week. But have you ever asked yourself, what's in between? What's in between Christmas and Holy Week? What's in between the birth of Jesus and His sacrifices and His ministry and His death on the cross? You know, in Luke chapter 2, the whole chapter, diniscuss po what happened in between. And pag inintindi ho natin, if we understand the life of Jesus Christ in the eyes of Luke chapter 2, yung birth ni Jesus and yung death niya, merong importanteng nangyari in between. Meron hong vital point in the life of Jesus Christ na nangyari in between. Pag sinamahan niyo kami ngayon sa pag-aaral po ng salita ng Panginoon Diyos, pag-uusapan ho natin, anong nangyari in between? What happened in between of that situation? At sana ho meron ho tayong matutunan sa buhay ho natin at paano ho natin i-apply ito. May mga tao ho tayong pag nakita natin na hindi natin nakita for so long, and we would ask them, what happened to you? Pwedeng nung huli mong siya nakita, parang ordinaryong tao, tapos ngayon mayaman na siya. May sariling bahay, may sarili na siyang kotse, may sarili ng business. And if that happens, and you sit with this person, meron ho tayo bilang isang tao, I hope, na makikinig tayo doon sa kwento. Nagiging interesado tayo doon sa kwento nila. Na anong nangyari? Bakit ka naging ganyan? Anong nangyari sa'yo? And as we listen to the story, makikita natin anong nangyari. What happened? In the life of Jesus Christ, as we study His Word today, as we listen to Him, sana ho maging interesado din ho tayo at meron ho tayong matututunan doon sa anong nangyari in between. And as we understand the life of Christ, anong nangyari sa Kanya, makikita ho natin yung maliliit na bagay, makikita ho natin yung mga small details in our lives na pag in-apply natin sa sarili natin, meron ho pala siyang malaking impact. Samahan niyo po kami sa araw po na ito, sa pag-aaral po ng salita ng Diyos. At pag-transition ho natin ng 2025 to 2026, some of you are right now preparing for the Holy Week. Some of you iniisip na ano yung pwede natin gawin sa Holy Week. Some of you are actually preparing for the season of Holy Week. Pero bago ho tayo mag-transition from Christmas to Holy Week, pag-usapan natin what's in between. Anong nangyari? Today, in the eyes of Luke, makikita ho natin anong nangyari kay Jesus at bakit importante ito sa atin at sa buhay natin bilang isang Kristiyano. Samahan niyo po kami. Let's study and understand the life of Christ in the eyes of Luke so that we will understand and know that most of Jesus' life was not spent changing the world, but it was spent becoming ready to change it. Yung in-between, yun po yung preparation ni Jesus preparation upang baguhin ang mundo, upang baguhin ang lahat. Mas mahaba yung preparation ni Jesus rather than doing the ministry. And that is the same with us. Tayo po ay hinahanda ng Panginoon Diyos. Tayo po ay nire-ready kung sino tayo, hindi ko ano yung pwede natin gawin. So join us today as we study the Word of God. Thank you for joining us, Global Fire TV. Once again, this is Pastor BJ Lopez. Have a blessed day. God bless all of you.